In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily accept message requests on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs, and if you got some message requests, you can easily find them right here. Just tap where it says requests. I got one message request here, and in order to accept it or reject it, all you have to do is just swipe to the left to show up these three extra options. The first is accept. You can tap on that, and after that, that specific conversation will be moved to your general conversations, and then you can communicate with that user. Also, in here, you can tap at block to block this message request, or even you can hit at delete to delete that specific message request. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.